Hello folk, welcome to the lesson 2 of Wi-Fi hacking tutorial. So in this video lesson I will be teaching you how to apply brute force attacks to your Wi-Fi network. And basically as I explained before, only the network with low securities are hackable. So to filter such a hackable network, you need to go over my previous video of introduction session of Wi-Fi hacking, and if you want to save the time, then just hover over to 3 minute 53 second. Then from that time onwards I have explained or showed how you can display the hackable, how can you search, or how can you filter the hackable network. So in this lesson I will be talking about brute force attack. So to give short introduction, what is brute force? What is brute force attacks? Basically it is a trial and error method to decode the encrypted data. Often this is also called brute force dictionary attacks, where a lot of bunch of password is applied to hack the network. So in Wi-Fi hacking, as it uses 8-digit pin to encrypt the Wi-Fi passphrase. So if you have router at home, then when during the first setup of your router, what you need to do is to log in your network, you need the password, 8-digit password that is behind the router. So basically through the 8-digit pin code you can encrypt the Wi-Fi passphrase. So it uses 8-digit password. So to give a little descriptions of how it works, so Wi-Fi protected setup is basically a protocol that allows home user who have little knowledge of wireless security by just connecting to a network using this blue button over the router. So in 2011 a serious vulnerabilities or flaw was determined, and that is the brute force attacks with the USB pin. The shared key can be known. So there are different modes, that is pin method, push button method, near field communication method, USB method. You can go over Wikipedia page to know the detail. So this much for now. So let's jump to the code base. So what you need to do is, so to apply brute force attacks, you need to ensure that if config 1 and 0, so you need to change this to monitor mode. So you need to enable your wireless network card to monitor mode. So why you need to change is, if you change your wireless network card to monitor mode, then all traffic can be received and monitored from the wireless network. Basically by default this network adapter is in promiscuous mode, we can call anything like. So airmon-ng start 1 and 0. so our monitor mode has been established. So there are certain processes running in it. So during further advancement in Wi-Fi hacking, there might be problems, so we need to kill such processes. So to check the processes, what you can do it, you can check these processes, and to kill it you can simply type your -c check and kill. So the process will be killed. So then you need to run was command. So you need to was -i -0 and 1. So this will gives the BSS ID, channel, WPS, lock state of and vendors of the network that you will be hacking. So this is the so to grip so we will be using a pin method, where your so we will be using a reaver. So to give instruction of reaver is we are using reaver So reaver is a WPS cracker. It implements a brute force attacks against Wi-Fi protected setup which can be cracked the WPS pin of an access point in a matter of hours and subsequently recover wpa2 password. So it uses a WPS pin. It crack the WPS pin, and through WPS pin you can recover the passphrase. So there are different options available in this reaver. So basically you get the pass, you apply the 8-digit, you guess the 8-digit pin and recover the passphrase. So basically, to give instruction, there in 8-digit pin there are 0 to 9, that means 10 combination of letter. So 8 to the power 10 means there are this much number of combination of numbers that can be generated through that needs to be generated, that needs to be try on. So basically what reaver does is it checks only 4 digit, 2 3 4 5 6 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So in reaver what it does is it first checks 4 digit numbers of the pin. So if the 4 digit numbers is correct, then it check other 4 digit numbers. So half the half of the pin, half of the number of the pin, applied number of the pin get reduced. So what you need to is to power 4 means 8 to the power 5 means 32,000 pin it to the power 10 to the power 4 means 10,000 pin number of attempts will be needed. So this is just a so this is the so to apply the reaver attack, what you need to do is you need to apply reaver dash. So different options is available in reaver. So what you need to do is reaver dash I while your monitor mode of your network card, then dash B MAC address of your network, not to Sasuke means if this paste it over here. Then the channel it will be listening on channel 7 as you can see here. Then the I will be using dash S, dash non-ng and dash verbose and dash K1. So what this really means is, as you can see over here, dash n means no next, do not send NAC message, and if the state is lockout you can ignore the message. Dash L by ignoring the lock state, lock delay, then T for timeout. You can apply bunch of different options. So let's apply this. So no for now. And what it does, it first it apply or it crack the randomly generated number. So as you can hear, first it applies 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 0 pin. So WPS transition is first, then it again apply the so just ignore this lock state and from now. So first the pin 100% is tried, then another pin 00567 is tried, then another it goes on. So it makes around 5 to 7 hours to crack the pin. So another pin is applied again, so it so a lot of time may be required to crack the pin. So just you make it, so just a lot of time, sorry again, a lot of time may be required, so you just let it go overnight. Then at the end you will obtain the correct pin and the passphrase that is associated with the pin. So thank you guys. So that's for now. So Control C. Now if many nodes, many people get when applying the reverb, many people get confused to start the network services. So to restart your network, what you need to do is you can stop the monitor mode. The monitor mode has been stopped. Then you can restart your networking service. Then you can restart your network manager service. So your network will be connected again, as you can see here. So this for now. So basically the Wi-Fi will be cracked. I have stopped the video so that it may I have stopped the video as it may take a long time to crack the pin. So in next method I will be showing you a pin attack where you can get the passphrase using the pin. So thank you for your time.